Meow. So the third sketch of this same pair. This time it's the other one that's doing the licking. So I'm just mapping in the first head here. And I'm double speed here. Now we'll just start mapping in the next kitty. I don't see much of that kitty's head, just the ears poking up. Notice that line comes right from the ear to the mouth. You know, look for those kind of lines that connect. It can really go a long ways toward making your drawing look unified and add some rhythm and flow to it. Just putting in the important shapes, not worrying about details here. There's that paw, that lovely little paw coming down. Lots of extra lines when I map it in this way, but that's okay because they'll just end up being the background tone and they'll add some movement to the drawing. Always a little bit of erasing going on. Try not to do too much erasing though, just if the lines are going to seriously interfere with knowing where to put the next lines or with making something look right. Other than that, I just, leave that extra lines for energy. You can see a bit of that elbow there. I thought I had that paw completely in the frame, but I guess not. But close enough, I guess. Just kind of hanging there. Here's the bottom kitty's ears. Starting to tighten up a little bit more here when I'm getting these important lines in that have to look convincing. We have a Facebook group. It's called Cat Drawing Art Workshop, and you're welcome to check it out. You'll find the link for that group in the video description below, plus some other handy cat drawing links. So check it out, and if you really are passionate about drawing cats, we'd love to have you join us. Starting to like the way things look here. Yeah, that looks better. That looks like there's a cat's head in there now. Darken things up. The tongue on this one is what gave me the most grief. Took me a little bit of erasing in that to get things right. That background ear is just minimal. You can just sort of see it in the background. And the top of the cat's the top of the cat's ear in this one doesn't really come to a point because of perspective. More rounded. Fixing things up. And I'm speeding things up here again. I'm at 4 times the speed now. I had to move that ear forward a bit. The head ended up looking a bit too long. Yeah. couldn't quite get that ear right, so I did some erasing. The thing about drawing is if it ends up being easy, that means you're staying in your comfort zone. You need to step out of the comfort zone to grow. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscriptions are what make this channel purr. So we would love to have you subscribe and hit the little notification bell so you don't miss a video, and you can help build this fabulous community of crazy cat artists. Just those finishing little touches and darkening up the lines. And we are going really fast here now at 8 times the speed, just to polish things up. Tabby stripes are a great opportunity to show the contour of the cat's body. Yeah, there's that tongue again. Kept bugging me. I kept having to go back to it. It's always that one part. And I don't put in every tabby stripe, just the important ones. And what are the important ones? Well, that's really up to the artist to decide. I use the ones that add to the flow of the drawing and that don't distract from the important details. And it's, you know, it's really an art to decide which ones those are. Got to decide for yourself, trust your gut. Thank you so much for watching. So don't forget to check out our Facebook group and subscribe to the channel, hit notifications. And there's lots more videos to come. And we'll see you next time.